we have a lot of things to tell them. Because I think holding this convention is a strong message to our students and to our millions of alumni in the Philippines. Many things. One, remember your school and the values we taught you. Live them out as consistently as possible. Fight for integrity in whatever profession you have chosen in your lives. And fight for truth. Rekindle your spirit. Come home to your schools and university to rekindle the spirit of truth, decency, social justice, and social transformation. In sort of saying, nakakaya naman kayo kung Catholic school graduate kayo, tapos nagko-corrupt kayo. Kasi you're living lives contrary to the very essence of the values that we have taught you in the schools and universities. But we want to recognize as well, many of our alumni who are heroes, good and great public servants and leaders in government, in business, and other sectors. There are nation builders. They innovate. They are compassionate to the poor. We have very good lawyers, doctors, teachers. Our teachers run even the public school system of our university. We are very and mighty proud of them. But as Father Jude said, the responsibility of forming our students and alumni are not just lodged in our schools. The families and the whole communities form the students and adults. It takes the whole community. The school is just one part of that community to what? To raise a child and to raise a student and a graduate. So, yeah.
Now we're talking about good people, no, initially nung lumabas sa Catholic school or sa ibang mga eskwelahan, and then eventually they turn into thieves. And this for the same reason why CAP is firmly opposing the removal of ethics in the general education curriculum. As CAP, we say ethics is not optional, it is essential. Ganito na nga, tapos tatanggalin pa natin ng ethics o ano nang natira.